Hello, this is Tanya Shodine with Keller Williams Realty, and I am at 342 Great Harvest Road, which is in the reserve section of Cypress Ridge. This is a 3-bedroom home with an office and 2 full baths. Very open floor plan. First bedroom is at the front of the house with a full bath right next to it. The office with shiplap and French doors. Second bedroom. In trending white kitchen cabinets, there is a gas stove, stainless steel appliances, dining area open to the living room with the wooded view. Suite is situated at the back of the home. This is a very quiet wooded lot. I'm in the screen room right now. It's very peaceful back here, and it's a low traffic area of the community. Thank you for watching this video tour. If you have any interest in this property and would like additional information, please give me a call or text at 732-298-4194, or you can email me at tanyashodine@kw.com.